Quoted from okezone.com page, sharks are known as scary animals because they are able to eat various creatures with their sharp teeth. If you watch a shark eat something, you will see how easy it is to chew even in a short period of time. But do you know how many teeth a shark has in its lifetime? Sharks are the only species that continually lose their teeth. Even so, the tooth is replaced with a new tooth in just 24 hours or 1 day. Scientists believe that sharks lose about 35,000 teeth in their lifetime. Shark teeth depend on their food, as species eat crustaceans and molluscs, which have flatter teeth. Shark teeth, as known, are lined or lined. The bull shark, for example, has 50 teeth in the 7 outermost series, which are the most functional. While the smallest shark teeth measure only 1.2 centimeter with an average size of 17.7 centimeters. Many sharks have 5-15 rows of teeth in each jaw. One of the main reasons shark teeth fall off so easily is that they don't have roots to hold them in place. Each shark tooth usually only lasts for about a week before eventually falling out. When one of the teeth falls out, the other teeth in the back move to replace it. The process itself only lasts for 24 hours. Sharks continue to replace their teeth throughout their lives. Their new teeth grow even bigger than the ones that have fallen out. Shark teeth also have a high degree of variability. Some teeth appear flat, and others are crooked. Meanwhile, there are also teeth that look straight. Sharks that inhabit shallow waters, where they generally feed on crustaceans such as shrimp, molluscs, and lobsters, are very adaptable to crushing prey. The species that eat fish, however, have more pointed teeth which help them to catch fish properly. Scientists have previously found the teeth of Megalodon sharks around the world. This shark is even believed to have more teeth like the great white shark. Megalodon sharks are said to have approximately 276 teeth in their jaws, which are arranged in 5 rows. All of its teeth are tapered with a size of 17.5 centimeters and are believed to be the largest teeth ever seen for a species of shark, both extinct and surviving.